When you think of artificial intelligence, what comes to mind? Robots, self-driving cars, maybe even Terminator. What if I told you AI is helping solve some of the world's biggest problems, from predicting climate disasters to detecting diseases earlier than doctors and even fighting hunger? That's right, if AI can be dangerous in the wrong hands, it can also be humanity's greatest tool for good. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of AI for good, where machines learn to make life better for everyone. Join me on this incredible journey and let us see how AI is changing our world for the better. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button right now. And without further ado, let's dive straight into today's video. First up, let's talk about AI in healthcare. This stuff is seriously mind-blowing. Imagine an AI system that can diagnose diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's earlier and more accurately than even experienced doctors. It's like having a superpowered Sherlock Holmes, except instead of smoking pipes, it's analyzing medical images and data. In one study, Google's DeepMind AI diagnosed breast cancer from mammograms up to 14 days before radiologists, which is like spotting a threat 14 days before your enemy attacks. That's a lot of time to prepare and seek help. Another AI system developed by Microsoft can detect signs of Alzheimer's disease up to 5 years before symptoms appear. That's like seeing the future. How does it do it? Well, these AI systems are trained on massive amounts of medical data, including images, test results, and patient records. They learn to recognize patterns and make connections that humans might miss, helping doctors spot diseases that are difficult to detect early on. But that's not all. AI is also speeding up the discovery of new drugs and treatments. For example, a team at MIT has developed an AI system that can analyze a patient's DNA and predict which drugs will work best for them. This could revolutionize the way we treat diseases, allowing us to tailor treatments to each patient's unique biology. But the coolest thing about AI in healthcare might be the way it's helping to deliver personalized care. Imagine having an AI-powered virtual assistant that helps you manage your health, track your symptoms, and make healthy lifestyle choices. It could be like having your own personal trainer, nutritionist, and doctor all rolled into one. And let's not forget about the role AI is playing in the fight against the pandemic. AI-powered tools are being used to develop vaccines and treatments to monitor the spread of the virus and to help doctors make better decisions about who needs treatment and who doesn't. These tools are saving lives, and they're helping us get back to normal faster. Now, let's talk about something close to my heart: AI for climate and environment. You know, as someone who's passionate about protecting the planet, I am really excited about the ways AI is being used to tackle some of the biggest challenges facing our environment. One of the most exciting things about AI for climate is the way it is helping us predict extreme weather events. By analyzing data from satellites, weather balloons, and other sources, AI can help us spot trends and patterns that indicate extreme weather is on the way. This can give people living in affected areas time to prepare and hopefully avoid some of the worst effects of extreme weather. But that's not all. AI is also being used to reduce carbon emissions and optimize the use of renewable energy sources. For example, Google DeepMind SA has helped reduce energy costs in its data centers by 40% by turning off servers when they were not needed. That's like turning off the lights when you leave a room, except on a much bigger scale. And it's not just happening in data centers. AI is being used in buildings, factories, and transportation systems to reduce energy consumption and cut carbon emissions. There's even an AI-powered system called Project Terra that uses drones to map and monitor forests, helping researchers understand how forests are changing over time and how to protect them from deforestation. And let's not forget about the role AI is playing in wildlife conservation. There are AI-powered systems that can track endangered species, monitor their behavior, and help protect them from poachers. It's like having a wildlife ranger 24/7. Alright, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart: AI for poverty and hunger. As someone who's passionate about making a positive impact on the world, I am really excited about the ways AI is being used to tackle some of the toughest challenges facing our global community. One of the most exciting things about AI for poverty and hunger is the way it is helping improve food distribution and reduce waste. By analyzing data on food supply and demand, AI can help ensure that food is distributed where it's needed most and that reduces waste. At the same time, AI is also being used to monitor crops and optimize farming practices, which can help increase yields and reduce the cost of food production. This is especially important in developing countries where hunger and malnutrition are a major problem. There's an AI-powered system that can detect diseases in crops early on, which can prevent widespread crop failure and famine. Imagine being able to identify a problem in your field early on and take action before it is too late. It's like having an early warning system for your crops. And it's not just about preventing famine. AI is helping small farmers in developing countries grow more food with less effort. An AI-powered system can analyze soil conditions and help farmers determine what crops to grow and how much water and fertilizer to use. It's like having a personal assistant for your farm, but that's not all. AI is also being used to improve the way humanitarian organizations deliver aid to people in need. A nonprofit organization uses AI-powered tools to optimize its delivery routes, ensuring that aid reaches those who need it most quickly and efficiently. With the help of AI, they're able to save lives and make a bigger impact with the resources they have available. Next up, let's talk about AI for education and social good. Now, I know what you're thinking, AI and education, what could go wrong? But trust me, this is where AI really shines. Personalized AI tutors are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. Imagine having a teacher who can tailor lessons to your individual needs and learning style, provide instant feedback, and help you learn at your own pace. It's like having a private tutor, except the tutor is an AI-powered system. There are several platforms that offer AI-powered personalized tutoring in a variety of subjects from math to science to language arts. One platform in particular has some impressive stats. It's helped over 2 million children in over 190 countries learn essential skills, including over 100,000 children living in refugee camps. And let's not forget about the role AI is playing in fighting misinformation and propaganda. AI-powered tools can help identify fake news and propaganda, which can help keep people informed and make better decisions. For example, a nonprofit organization uses AI to detect deepfakes, which are videos that have been manipulated to show something that didn't really happen. This can help prevent the spread of fake news and protect people from being misled. But AI is also being used to help people with disabilities. For example, there are AI-powered tools that can help people who are blind or visually impaired navigate the world around them. These tools can provide audio descriptions of what a person is seeing, making the world more accessible to those with visual impairments. So yeah, AI for education and social good is seriously impressive. Of course, no conversation about AI would be complete without addressing the elephant in the room, the risks. Bias, misuse, and inequality in access are all real concerns that need to be addressed, but it's not all doom and gloom. There are frameworks like AI for Good that are working to ensure fairness and transparency in AI systems. These frameworks provide guidelines and best practices for developing and deploying AI, helping to mitigate some of the risks involved. So while there are definitely challenges to overcome, it's not impossible to create AI systems that are both effective and fair. So there you have it, folks, a quick tour of some of the amazing things AI is doing for good. From healthcare to education, AI is making a real difference in our world. And while there are definitely challenges to overcome, the potential benefits of AI for humanity are simply too great to ignore. So the real question is, how will we choose to use it? Will we use it to automate boring tasks, make profits, or create a better world? The choice is ours, but one thing's for sure, AI is not going away. So we might as well embrace it and use it to make a positive impact on the world. But before you go, I want to hear from you. Which area of AI for good excites you the most? Health, climate, education, or social impact? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.